Growing up, I had a lot of ideas as to what I wanted to do. They included nursing and teaching the military. My dad was encouraging my brothers to go to Thaddeus Stevens for the machining program, but none of them seemed interested in it. So I looked at it and I told him that I would be interested in going just to at least look at it. Thaddeus Stevens dual enrollment program was offered at Manheim Central, my high school. And it is basically the opportunity to spend your entire senior year of high school at Thaddeus Stevens as a freshman full-time. My first year, I was terrified about even turning the machines on, but just going throughout the whole school year, learning what everything was and what it did, it was a great learning experience. After working in the shop and at school for the first semester, we heard about the internship here at the Defense Logistics Agency. We support all of the branches of the military by taking their machines and refurbishing them, rebuilding them, basically just fixing them up in any way that we can to make them running for our troops overseas or anywhere we have a machine that they can use. Everything that I learned at Thaddeus Stevens has applied here. Certain things that I never thought I would see ever again throughout the classroom have actually happened here. So it's been really great to see how everything works together and how they actually do fit together. I would encourage anyone who's looking into a machine tool degree to go for it and just keep learning as much as you can. It's always a new experience and it will just carry you on for the rest of your life. Just because there aren't a lot of girls around here and around any machining industry doesn't mean there couldn't be. I think we definitely all can do the same amount of work. And I'm still one of those girls that goes out, gets my nails done, gets my hair done. So in my spare time, I like to just do activities with my family or read a book or just sit on a couch and watch TV, basically. I've really enjoyed working here. So hopefully after my last year at Thaddeus Stevens, I plan on working here for at least the next few years and possibly going back for my mechanical engineering degree so I can open up my shop one day eventually.